Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever found yourself scrolling through the comments on Instagram and stumbled upon a comment with a bunch of likes, you might have wondered who liked this comment. Well, you're not alone. Today I'm going to show you how to see who liked a comment on Instagram in 2024. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your Instagram app and head over to the post that has the comment you're interested in. Now, keep in mind, Instagram is always updating its features and layout, so depending on the version of the app you have, the steps might vary slightly. Scroll down to the comment section and find the comment you want to check. Now, here's where it gets a bit tricky. As of my last update, Instagram does not allow user to exactly who liked a comment directly from the comment itself. Unlike Facebook, where you can just click on the list of reactions to a comment to see who reacted. Instagram has kept this feature a bit more private. I know, it might be a bit disappointing for some of you, but don't lose heart just yet. While you can't see a detailed list of who liked a comment, you can still get an idea of the interaction it's received. When you see a comment with likes, you notice a heart icon and number beside it indicating how many people have liked it. And if you've liked the comment yourself, you might see a small text that says you and others. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any other Instagram tips or tricks you'd like to learn about, drop a comment below.